Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the CRAZYHUDA Professional Waterproof Makeup Kit, a multicolor all-in-one set designed for girls and women with all skin types packed into one amazing count. This kit's got everything from brushes to lipsticks and claims to be waterproof and long-lasting, so let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It's vibrant and sleek with a multicolor design that hints at the variety inside, perfect for gifting or keeping your essentials handy. Starting with the 18-shade eyeshadow palette, it's got mattes, shimmers, and bold hues for any look. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is solid, a bit powdery but blends out nicely. I did a quick smoky eye and it's stunning. Next, the 4 mini lipsticks, red, nude, pink, and coral shades. I tried the red and it's creamy matte and stayed put through a drink, waterproof for sure. The brush set comes in a box, 5 soft brushes with no shedding. I used the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. Super easy to work with. The foundation is a Match Master formula, lightweight with good coverage. I blended it with the included sponge and it matched my skin tone perfectly. The Prep Plus Prime Primer smooths my pores, and the loose face powder sets it all with a matte finish, no shine all day. The Kajal and liquid eyeliner are jet black. I lined my eyes and they didn't smudge. Smudge-proof and bold. The mascara and false lashes add drama. My lashes looked full and fabulous. Finally, the makeup fixer, a quick spritz, and my look stayed waterproof. Tested it, and it held up. This kit's a steal for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one, not luxury, but amazing value. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.